Alright guys, welcome back to Last Call. It's been a while. It's been a long while. I don't even know, 2.5 months, 3 months, not long, maybe 2 months, I don't know. Anyway, it's been a while since I've posted, so thank you so much for coming back to me. I was pretty sick, honestly. I had no voice for on and off for about a month. I had bronchitis that they were scared turned into pneumonia. So I had a really bad cough for a long time. It was really bad. Anyway, long story short, I'm finally healthy. I have my voice back for the most part. I'm ready to go. And I am in Las Vegas. So I am back home. I love this city. You guys know I love this city a lot. So right now, I'm going to do a review of the Marriott Grand Chateau. I hope I'm saying that right. It's actually right on the Strip, right across from Planet Hollywood. So it's a really good hotel. It's very highly rated. So many amenities. The location of it is really great. So without further ado, thanks so much for watching again. Let me turn around the camera and I'll show you guys around. So of course, this is the entrance right here. Let me turn on the light here. There we go. So here's the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. So you have your sink area. There I am. Hello. So it's a lighted mirror. That's kind of cool. Your makeup mirror for the ladies. Plenty of towels. Shower. Pretty basic shower. It's very roomy though. It's actually a very wide shower. So there you go. Your toilet. I just literally put my stuff down and I immediately started the video. So this is kind of a walkthrough for me as well. Here's your bed. I believe that's a queen size. I can't remember. I believe it's a queen though. Might be a king. It's pretty big. But let's just go with queen. I believe it's a queen. Here, power outlet. There you go. Light. Alarm clock. Here's your TV. Here's a little coffee table. Now this is a fold-away bed. So that does turn into a bed. So keep that in mind. If you're traveling with more than one person, here you go. That turns into a bed right there. Little coffee table, or little table I should say. Like I said guys, I'm sorry, please excuse my mess. I literally just came in here and dropped everything down. You do have a microwave. You do have some certain things. There's your glasses, your coffee mugs. There's a coffee maker right there. You do have some coffee in there. A toaster. You have a little ice bucket. Some coasters. You have a little sink right here, so that's actually kind of cool. You have a few plates in here. This isn't a full kitchen. There's no stovetop, so don't expect everything. But look, you have everything you need right here. That's kind of cool. I don't think there's anything up here, but let's look anyway. Yeah, it's empty. Nice big microwave though. It's actually a really big size microwave, so there you go. What's down here? Let's see. Oh, so your trash can. You have some, paper towels that come with the room. Hand soap, or I should say dish soap. I'm willing to bet these are. Oh no, actually you have silverware. So there's some silverware in there. There you go. Can opener, bottle opener, some towels. Okay, the rest is going to be empty. I figured that. But guys, there you go. You have everything you need right here. You have a freezer part. It's very cold. Yeah, it's a freezer. And you have a fridge. There you go. You can put some bottled beer in there, some water, Gatorade, whatever you need, energy drinks. Let's get into the view here. Now, this view doesn't do it justice, if I'm being honest, because this is kind of facing the back part. This is Harmon. So it's not a really major street or anything. But you can see there's Hilton Grand Vacations. What else can we see from here? You probably can't see it, but Ellis Island Casino. That's a casino over there. It's kind of more popular with the locals, but there you go. That's over there. Carriage House. I have no idea what that is, but like I said, this doesn't do it justice. But right across from the main entrance of it is Planet Hollywood. So it is actually very close to the Strip. You're walking distance to Planet Hollywood, Aria, and a few other things. So this view just, actually you can see Planet Hollywood from over here. Let me move this way. You can see the PH right there. But yeah, like I said, this view just doesn't do it justice. But yeah, you're walking distance to Aria, Planet Hollywood, Like I said, you have a fold out bed right here. That's a nice bed right here. Now let's see. From the looks of it, it seems very comfortable. Plenty of pillows. There's 4 pillows right there, so even if someone's staying over here, you can share pillows with them. One thing I didn't do is let's look in this closet real quick, because I know I do this right when I come in here. I always hang my clothing up so I don't have to iron it the next day, you know. And then for that bed right here, you have your bedwear right here. So there's actually, yeah, you can see extra pillows in here, everything. So it's actually a really nice room. There's an ironing board, plenty of hangers. So you got everything you need right here. It's pretty cool. And you have your safe for the people that care about a safe. So far I'm very impressed with this room. I can't say anything bad about it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you are happy that I'm back. This is only the first video. Plenty more to come. I have my voice back. Lots of plans for this channel. So hold on here. Let me turn it around here. Plenty more to come from. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting warmed up again. Let's go. It's time to put Last Call on the map. Thank you so much. If you guys have any questions about this room, please let me know. So far, it's been great. I'll give you an update tomorrow morning after I've stayed in the bed for a night. Let you know how everything goes. But yeah, the check-in process is great. They have VIP. I'm sorry. Parking is complimentary. Concierge parking, so they park for you. It's complimentary if you're staying here. Obviously, just tip the drivers. It's kind of cool though, but yeah, so they have complimentary parking. Anyway, yeah, I'll give you an update in the morning, and I'll close out this video in the morning once I can give you an update of how well I slept tonight. So thanks for tuning in. I'll give you an update, and I'll see you in the morning. All right, good morning. As promised, I told you I would give you an update on the room in the morning. So please don't mind my hair. I forgot my my brush, so can't do anything with my crazy hair this morning. I'm gonna have to buy a hat. Not gonna buy a Golden Knights hat though. Gives me an excuse to buy something. Anyway, as promised, I'll give you an update. The bed is very comfortable. Here, I'll flip it around. Just don't mind the mess, please. But you know, the bed is very comfortable. It does have that sofa that's also a fold-away bed. So yeah, everything was very comfortable with the room. So here's the view you have. Like I said, it doesn't do it no justice because the better views from in front of the building. But yeah, I had no problems. Everything's been very comfortable. Everything's been very quiet. I heard no one like in the hallways or anything. So far this room's been solid. I'll end this video here, but I will go down to the pool and show you the pool area. There's 2 pools in this property. So I'll show you the 2 pools on my way out when I leave here for the day to go do my stuff. So I'll show you the pools, and then I'll end the video there. But after that, I'll go ahead and do my closing right now. So I know it's been a while. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Overall, I highly recommend this property if you are staying in Las Vegas. It's right on the strip. You can't beat it. You literally do a crosswalk and you're right at Planet Hollywood. From Planet Hollywood, there's Miracle Miles. They have a ton of restaurants and food options, bars and stuff like that. There's a bar here inside of the hotel that's open 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. I believe. They have draft beer and everything. But yeah, you cross over to Planet Hollywood. There's a ton to do. So yeah, stay tuned for the pools. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And just tune in for more videos. I'm back. I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff. Thanks so much. Take care. All right, so this is a sky bar, the rooftop bar, and pool. So you got water and ice right there. That's kind of cool. You can self-serve water and ice. Your restrooms. Small pool, but has everything you need. You do have a jacuzzi as well. Now this would be your restaurant area. There's the, here, let's go up here. Here's a bar area. But check out this view. I would easily come have a drink up here just for this view. It'd be really cool. So I believe it's a Vegas law. You have to have glass. So that's going to be everywhere. But you can see everything. There's a Cosmo. There's Aria. Let's see. New York, MGM, Excalibur. What else do we see? Mandalay Bay up in the gold building. This is a really cool view. Park MGM down there. A lot of concerts are there. So yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, so far I really like this hotel. The staff's been friendly, everything's been cool. This would be a really cool place to come get a drink, come get a cocktail, a beer, check out the pool, you know. There's one more pool on the 5th floor. We'll go check it out right now.